Alright guys, we are back with another vlog on my channel. It's amazing. Today we are in New York City and there's a lot of ice cream trucks down that other block. There's one that plays buttons and bows and we are going to film it. So, alright guys, so we are heading closer. This is a nice building right there. Oh my god, it's not focusing. But look at this, guys. This is awesome. Awesome. We're gonna see awesome NYC trucks, guys, and I'm super happy. Oh my god, look at this, guys. This is freaking ice cream truck heaven and land. What is this? Look at that truck. Dad, can we buy something, please? No, I want to buy from that. Look. It plays buttons and bows. I've never seen an ice cream truck that plays buttons and bows. Only on YouTube, never in real life. This is awesome, guys. But anyways, look at New York City, guys. It's one of the cool things about living in New York. And we have an ice cream truck. Have empanada truck. This is amazing, guys. Alright guys, this is the most amazing truck ever. Oh my god, this is awesome. Da 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 da, buttons and bows. This is awesome. And the ice cream truck is still over there, guys. This is amazing. But here's a little more view of the city. This is so awesome. There's even a plane at night. It's a food truck, guys. It's awesome. Right, a little better view of the city. Here it is, guys. This is beautiful. So nice. Water taxi. Look at that, guys. This is awesome. Okay, anyways, look at what is that, guys? Oh, this is loud. This is loud, guys. Look, guys, look at that boat, guys. This is awesome. I really don't want to drop my phone in these waves and these waters because, like, that's really scary. But look, guys, it's a water taxi. It's coming right over here. Look how awesome that looks, guys. But also, what is that ball right there? I don't know if you can see. It's not really good, but it looks reddish, like above above that building thing. But anyway, that's just some view of the water taxi here, guys. Alright, I'm gonna stop rambling so you guys can actually concentrate on the footage. I'm gonna go closer. I'm gonna get a little closer. Alright guys, I'm up at the dock, at the fence. So I'm gonna film it. Wow. NYC, look at that, guys. It's awesome. Oh, it's coming closer over here. Oh my god, look where it parked. Oh my god, there's even people on top. That's awesome. Alright, well, there's everyone coming out. Alright, I'm gonna come around. Let's get a view of the back. Let's get a good view of the back, guys. There it is. It's a little dark. But yeah, guys, here's a view of the city again, the nice bridge. Wait, what's that noise? I hear something. Oh, it's a helicopter. I don't know. There it is, guys. Alright, let's film. There it is. This is awesome. This is awesome. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, this is so awesome. cool. All right, I can't wait to see more of the trucks as well. Let's get a view of the water. Wow. So much to see here, guys. And there's also an airplane. Well, there's a helicopter. I want to go on one of them one day because they seem really fun to ride in. Alright, there's a good view of the water. Well, it's not a good view because it's dark, guys. Still got the city. Still got amazing things to see. And yeah, guys, so... Alright, guys, it looks like there's another water taxi heading this way. That's really awesome. So, let's just watch it. Oh my goodness, you guys hear that? Hear the force that boat is using? Let me take it up zoom a little bit so you guys can see. Good. Look, guys, there's a huge ferry. Can you guys see that? Huge ferry versus that little water taxi. Who's gonna win, guys? Alright, we're back at the food truck. Gotta get a nice burger. Well, we're not gonna buy anything from it, but it's cool. Guys, look, there's a Chubby Wings truck. Oh, look at that. This is amazing, guys. This is awesome. Look at that. There's a chicken. Oh man, you guys can't see. I don't have flash, but look at this. In Mama We Trust. Look at that. This is awesome. Mama's Kitchen. Well, not ice cream truck. I was about to say ice cream truck. But it's Mama's Kitchen food truck. That's amazing. That's awesome. There, look at this, guys. This is cool. The juice factory. And we even have this fruit yogurt Italian ice cream truck looking thing. This is awesome. You guys see that? This is awesome. This Lick smoothie. Oh no, Long Island City smoothie and juice. Awesome. And Pete's ice cream. Yeah, Pete's ice cream. This is awesome, guys. Pete's ice cream. There it is. That's awesome. Wow, guys, look at these awesome buildings. Wow, this is great, guys.